Hey guys, this is Gary Walker, and I'm about to share with you 3 ways guys can boost their natural testosterone levels. Hey guys, this is Gary Walker with liveanabolic.com and coming to you from the Critical Bench compound today. And I'm about to share 3 ways you can boost your testosterone levels naturally for men over 40, all right? So these are simple things you can do and implement immediately. The first one I'm gonna recommend is sleep. And I'm talking quality sleep. So the best ways you can do that, make sure you're going to bed at a decent hour for one. Also, electronics. What I recommend is turning off all electronics, whether it's a phone, TV, whatever you're used to doing, at least an hour prior to going to bed, all right? Also, make sure you're going to sleep in a dark place, a cool place, all the things that are gonna help give you that good deep REM sleep. That's where all the hormone boosting benefits are gonna come from, when you're getting quality sleep. So, and what I'm gonna recommend is 7 to 9 hours, all right? Sounds like a lot, but it's actually not. And that's when your body's gonna help recover and replenish and repair from the daily damage. So sleep is the first one I'm gonna give you guys. Second one, eliminating processed foods. That's gonna help you guys so much. Processed foods are full of toxins and chemicals, and there's additives in there that are addicting, so you're constantly gonna be craving, all right? The more bad foods you eat, the more bad foods you're gonna want. So by eliminating processed foods and replacing it with good lean protein, good whole protein sources, and good quality gluten-free carbs, and good essential fats. By adding those and replacing the processed foods, your body's gonna go a long way towards boosting your hormone levels. Also, metabolism benefits. There's so many other benefits to doing that. So doing those 2 already will give you a huge spike with your testosterone levels. Third thing I'm gonna share with you guys, compound lifts. Make sure you're doing some type of strength training. It can just be 3 times a week. It doesn't have to be often. But get your strength training in, focusing on compound lifts, which are the big full body, big for your bang exercises, squats, deadlifts, bench presses. There's a lot of different variations of all of those. They don't have to be the back squats. You can do a goblet squat. Doesn't have to be a barbell bench press. You can do dumbbell bench press. So a lot of alternatives. We've got other videos out there showing you some of the things that you can do. But give those 3 things a try, implement those into your daily lifestyle, and you will constantly be upping your testosterone levels and getting all those testosterone boosting benefits. But all right, guys, do me a favor, comment below. Let me know if you have any questions about this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.